Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would be telling you about the walk-in drive that is going to happen tomorrow itself. So it's about the freshers and they are hiring the software testers, freshers, and the walk-in drive would be on 9th of October 2025, that is tomorrow. Timings are 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and 5 openings are there. So if you are someone who is looking forward to make your career in the field of software testing, then this opportunity is for you. The location is provided and the eligibility, you can see it starts from 2021 to 2025 passed outs. So if you have someone of your friend or someone in your network who is passed out in 2021 and is not getting calls, then this opportunity is for you. So someone who has completed BE, BSc and BTech CSIT candidates, those people can apply. Testing certification is not mandatory here. So for all the other branches, if you're not from IT, if you're from non-IT branch, then completion of a relevant testing course with certification is mandatory. So accepted locations are only Mumbai local candidates are accepted here, right? So that's an important news. And they are preferring someone who has got good communication skills, strong knowledge of manual testing, and dynamic player with positive attitude. So these are the requirements. These are the requirements for the freshers walk-in drive for the software tester. So if you are a fresher and you are looking forward to make your career in the field of software testing, then this job opportunity is for you. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.